Horses out. We have Market Value pass to begin. Moving up on the outside, Carriedo. And in third, Summit Dancer, Flying Hope, Che and Ryan and Gracious Host. Into the turn they go. Carriedo open up the gap by about 3 lengths. And in second, moving up, Summit Dancer. Market Value is by the rail, 2 lengths. Win for Che and Ryan, Flying Hope and Gracious Host is still racing in lengths. They swing into the back. Carriedo by a length and a half. Market Value is by the rail second. Then in third comes Summit Dancer. Che and Ryan moving up by the rail, Flying Hope, and a long way back to Gracious Host. Carriedo by a length and a half. Market Value still in second. Then in third, Summit Dancer moving up, Flying Hope on the outside fourth. Che and Ryan, Gracious Host. Carriedo this time by about 3 lengths. And in second, still is Market Value, Flying Hope. As they come down at the last 200, is still in control is Carriedo by about 4 lengths. Market Value moving up on the outside, Flying Hope. Last 50 meters, it's Carriedo. And finally, Carriedo second. Flying Hope, Market Value, Summit Dancer, Che.
Yun na po nangyari sa ating race number 1 dun para for the benefit of those